Today I'm tearing out this asphalt driveway for this customer. It's her 92nd birthday. What a birthday present, right? For when you turn 92, get your asphalt driveway removed. Anyways, I think that's pretty amazing to be 92. If I can make it to that long, that'd be pretty good. Maybe I'll still be doing this work, making videos. You never know. Anyways, taking this out. Thanks for watching. Asphalt's gone. Customer's happy. Job well done. She's gonna have concrete put in. I don't do that. I just remove it. And even got out this little section of asphalt here, a little chunk of concrete. So there you go. And as always, yours truly, John Schott. Thanks for watching. See ya.